Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a new toilet. Here's the old one, and I got to unbox a new one. So let's get started. Alright, first thing we got to do, take off the hose, and let's unbolt this really quick. Well, let's get this all cleaned up. I'll stick my hand in there.
I don't think she's getting worried about what's in the dresser, but the dresser I'm clearing everything out and tossing it, because what are we gonna do, set it in the bottom?
Yeah, it's all rusted. Yeah, that was going to be a problem. Well, since this is a race foundation, let's put a new ring on here. Alright guys, I got this all cleaned up here. So I'm going to have to install one of these because the flange is broke. So what you have to do, you got to get this tool and you cut the inside of this out. This comes out and this will go in, glue it in, bolt it to the floor, and you got your new flange. So there we go. What a sucker. Wasn't expecting that. Alright, got this glued into place. We're just going to put some screws in here. Alright, let's get the toilet prepared. You can find this tool on Amazon. Just goes on your drill bit, the little round blade, and just cuts it out. Alright, got everything all set up, and we'll get the base of the toilet and let's set it in place. Alright, so I got the bottom and all that stuff in. I don't like putting the top on and all that in the tank before I mount it. It's just a lot lighter. So I'm going to get the tank and all that. We're going to put all that on. Alright, got the tank on, put the hose on, started filling it up. We're just testing it out. Make sure we got no leaks. Alright, we got no leaks. Okay, well, what I'm going to do is put the toilet seat on, caulk around the bottom, put that back on, put all this stuff back together, and I'm out of here. Well, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye.